Okay guys, good evening. So three topic already I taken. This is my fourth topic for stepwise cracking, SWC. So before going into this topic, if you are looking me first time, please subscribe my channel. Don't forget not to subscribe, okay? So please subscribe, okay guys? Subscribe my channel and press the bell button. Okay, let's start. Stepwise cracking. As explained above, SWC is a form of hydrogen-induced cracking. It can be manifested in the form of the surface blistering and cracking, which is oriented parallel to the rolling direction of the steel plate. This form of damage may arise without any externally applied residual stress within the metal itself. As more hydrogen enter the void created by the hydrogen gas formation within a metal, the pressure rise and blister may become visible at the surface if the gas pressure deforms the surrounding metal. If highly strained metal, keep in mind, listen guys, listen. Metal void cause them to propagate as a crack and link up with the adjacent crack. SWC result. The array of crack formed by the SWC stepwise crack have a characteristic step-like appearance. Why we speak as a stepwise cracking? Because appearance of the crack is like step-like appearance. Okay. As explained, the most favorable site for such hydrogen gas formations to occur are elongated inclusion and segregated band of the microstructure that are typically found in the rolled product. Whilst small individual blister or hydrogen-induced crack are unlikely to affect the overall structural strength and integrity of the material and component, their presence is an indication of ongoing internal cracking problem, which may continue to develop unless the causative factor can be stopped or controlled. At the stage when the individual crack link off to form a SWC damage, they are likely to have a seriously effect on the strength and integrity of the material and component. Whilst failure due to the blistering and SWC can occur within a short period of time, their occurrence and development generally occur over a long period of time, and their progress can in less critical situations be monitored by the suitable ND. Some non-destructive examinations we can use to catch this type of defect. The method used to prevent HIC or designed to prevent this form of the damage. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe it. Goodbye.